This training unit looks at the IXO Cordless Screwdriver from Bosch. The IXO is ideal for all screwdriving jobs in and around the house. When large tools are too bulky and heavy, the IXO impresses with its small size and outstanding performance. The new IXO always sits perfectly in your hand, thanks to its new ergonomic design. The new trigger can be operated in a wide variety of grip positions. The intuitive forward-reverse switch is also comfortable to reach. Press the switch forwards to drive screws and pull the switch back to unscrew them. The position of the switch prevents you from accidentally changing the rotation of direction. The new lighting concept has two modes. One for illuminating small areas with a spotlight, and one for illuminating large areas with scattered light. This ensures that the work area is always perfectly lit. The compact ergonomic design with soft grip makes the tool comfortable to use. The battery charged level indicator lights up red when the battery charge has dropped below 30%. The microUSB connection enables the battery to be recharged quickly and conveniently. The tool holder enables you to use the optionally available collection adapters, making the IXO even more versatile. The torque setting adapter ensures that neither the screw head nor the surface get damaged. The angle screw adapter gets into even the smallest of corners. The offset angle adapter even makes it easy to drive screws close to edges. The IXO is also great at helping out around the house. It can be used to open bottles, season food, blow barbecues, and cut soft materials up to 6 mm thick. Now have fun with the IXO Cordless Screwdriver from Bosch.